them off at the ridge. Don't let them get away.
Easy now, easy. We're almost there, just a little further. It's all right.
Move! Get them loaded now! We have to reach the factory world! Get that ramp secure now. Watch his feet, he's slipping on the metal. All right, bring the next one up. Yalla, move! Get up the ramp now! Faster, push him quickly!
Easy now, steady up the ramp. Watch his left side, almost there. Slowly now, watch the barrier. All right, you're good to go.
Easy now, easy. Keep the straps tight. All right, he's on the concrete. Bring the next one. Keep moving, keep moving. Watch the ramp. Steady, boy, steady. Steady now, easy steps. Watch the left side. Clear on the left, keep moving.
This one is almost done. How about yours? Almost. Just need to rinse the legs.
Move them forward, slowly now. Watch the threshold.
Keep them steady. We're almost clear.
Make sure the pressure is consistent on that third nozzle. Looks good. The sanitization levels are holding steady. Data looks good on this run. Confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
How's the measurement on this hide?
It's perfect, right on spec.
The finish looks great, very supple.
Check the grain on this section here. It looks good, very consistent finish.
The humidity levels look stable on this batch. Yes, the texture is perfect. We can move it to finishing.
Watch the clearance on the right side. Copy that. Setting it down now.
Watch the clearance on the left side. Clear. Bring it in steady.
Gate clear. Next truck approaching.
All right, driver, keep coming straight.
Copy that. Dispatch.
Bring the next pallet straight inside, and let's verify the count on the premium jackets. Roger that.
Manifest code is right here, starting with LX25.
Okay, LX25 confirmed. Next pallet, please.
If you look closely here, the lining is silk. It's surprisingly light.
Ah, that explains the comfort. It's beautiful work.
How does that feel around the shoulders? The leather should mold perfectly to you over time.
It feels incredible. The fit is just right.
The craftsmanship is beautiful. Is this the only color available?